In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this vitamin C body scrub that brightens your skin and also clears dark spots. Orange contains citric acid that helps to dry out acne, controls excess oil, opens the pores and also clean the dirt and debris off your skin. So the first thing you want to do is to wash your oranges and make sure you dry them because we do not want to introduce water into our body scrub. As you might already know, orange contains hydrating properties. It brightens the skin, it reduces inflammation, leaving the skin feeling fresh. Orange also controls excess sebum production, which in turn prevents breakouts. It is known to lighten dark spots, acne scars, and even it lightens uneven skin tone, leaving your skin feeling clean, clear, and healthy. So as you can see, the next thing to do is to grate your orange using the grater. And when you're grating, make sure you do not grate into the white parts because like I said, you don't want water to get into your product. And here is a bonus tip. Daily consumption of orange reduces the risk of kidney stones, improves the heart health, and also decreases inflammation. So you might want to consider eating orange every single day. When you're done grating the oranges, the next thing to do is to transfer them into any flat surface, or might be a tray or a plate. And I will just be making use of what I have. But before we move on, let me take this minute to welcome you all to my channel. If this is your first time watching my video, you're welcome to Z Natural Care. On this channel, I teach how to make safe and effective natural products for the skin, for the hair, for beauty, and also health in general. I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video and also leaving a comment in the comment section below. And to my returning subscribers, thanks for coming back to watch my videos. You are the real MVP. So I'm just going to transfer my grated orange peel into my already made container or pan. Then I am going to transfer this into the oven on low heat. I just want it to be dry and crispy and have this kind of deep brownish color like this. Now if you don't have an oven, this is what you're going to do. You can just get a pan, place the pan on your cooker or on your stove and just what do they call this word, just pan fry it without oil, without water. Just pan fry it till you get this kind of deep color, till it is kind of dry and crispy. It just makes it beautiful with getting it burnt a little bit. So after you have this, we're going to move on to the next step. Sugar is a natural humectant. When we say humectant, it means it draws moisture from the environment and locks it into your skin. Sugar is also one of the best natural beauty ingredients used in exfoliating the skin. It helps remove dead skin cells, and when it does that, the new skin will be more radiant and have a healthier glow. Don't worry, all ingredients used will be listed at the end of this video. Sugar also has a natural anti-aging effect on the skin. It does not allow toxins attack your skin cells, and it also helps to slow down the aging process. So I added in my sugar bit by bit because of the small bowl I'm using. If you're using a larger one, you can just add it at once. Now to the next step. The next ingredient I'm going to be using is turmeric. This step is actually totally optional. It's just to give it the bright color. And to the next ingredient, which is milk, powdered milk. Milk is a rich source of lactic acid. Lactic acid is one of the AHA's chemical exfoliants. It is also loaded. Milk is loaded with several vitamins which can work wonders on your skin. It makes your skin look younger. It also acts as a natural cleanser. Milk, they say, is also an excellent source of vitamin B, which helps in the production of new cells. And the last ingredient is sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is a carrier oil and it is very light in weight. It hydrates and unclogs your pores. It minimizes the sign of aging and even out skin tones. It is full of antioxidants like vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, and even vitamin D, which means the oil can protect your skin from environmental stressors that threatens to harm your skin. So after adding in all your ingredients, the next thing you need to do is to mix. Just make sure you mix everything well so that you won't have one side that is white, that is sugar, and the other side is rich in all your ingredients. So just make sure you mix and mix. If at this period you found any value from this video or you enjoyed watching it, do not forget to like and also subscribe if you haven't. Okay, so as I promised, I'm going to tell you the amount of ingredients I used. For the orange, I used 3 medium oranges, the peel. I just used the peel. And for the second ingredient, which is sugar, I used 1/3 cup. That is 1/3 cup of sugar. For the milk, 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. And for the sunflower oil, I used 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. So that is how you make your vitamin C body brightening scrub. Use this 2 to 3 times in a week and see your skin flourish. So till I see you in my next video, bye for now. Bye.